Okay, sometimes you might run into problems when you are trying to use a photo in a Google Doc or some other thing we're trying to do, or maybe even bring it into Photopea. Because cell phones record, sometimes in this file right here, heic, and a word about file types. The file type is the thing after the dot on the name of a file. So sometimes you'll see .jpg or .jpeg. This is the most universally or most commonly used file type for photos, and most programs and things can use that. Unfortunately, a lot of cell phones record in this heic file, which causes problems. So you need to convert that. To convert that, all you got to do is click on this plus sign, and it will bring up your files on your computer. Now, that means that your files need to be on your computer first in order for you to do this. So you need to get them to your Chromebook in a file on your Chromebook. You can't get these out of Google Drive. So you need to download them from the Google Drive to your computer first. And then you select them, and then it'll give you an option to convert. You can select up to 5 photos at once. And so then after you get them converted, you just download them to wherever you need to download them, your computer. And I think you can download them to Google Drive as well. So if you're having any issues, I want you to try this. Otherwise, let me know and we'll see what's going on.